Welcome to DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Quick tip for you. For those of you who have the similar style compartment doors on your trailer that have the rubber that goes into the channel here to help hide the screws, cover them up. If you're like me, ours likes to come loose in the edges and expose it. And well, we don't want that, because what will happen is the water will get into the screws here and get behind, can rust it, cause damage to the trailer. So quick tip is I'm going to actually take and put just a dab of silicone in the corners here and then tuck this back in. That'll help keep it in place, but yet if I ever have to service it, anything like that, you can always get this off without destroying everything. So I've got some silicone right here, and we're just gonna put a dab in there. Dab will do you. While we're here, do the same thing. Set that over here, and then we're just gonna take, put it back in. Kind of press it so it'll bond to both the trim and also this rubber. I'll finish that up off camera, but there's just a quick simple tip how to keep that from popping out on you all the time. It's annoying to me, come around and see that, and it's just because of the nature of the beast. These are molded straight. They're not they don't like to go around corners like that. But anyways, that's just a quick tip today. You guys have a wonderful camp season. Until the next video, happy camping.